Hello and welcome to revision video 6 from PCSA Maths, where every student counts. Now today's revision video is going to be based upon some common errors that we've spotted since we've had the examination papers from the March exams back to the school. Now myself and the maths team have been through these papers and we picked out a few key areas where our students are dropping marks, so we're going to try and prevent that happening in the summer exams with this next set of videos. One of the areas in which our students are losing marks is in this very simple question. For example, here the question is work out the size of the angle marked x. So this is the angle x here. Now correctly this person has worked out that the angle is 130. The reason they've done that is they've taken 360 minus 140 minus 90 gives us 130 degrees. However, this question here, part 2, we haven't actually got a mark for. Now give a reason for your answer. The reason for this answer is that angles around a point, so angles around a point equals 360 degrees. Can't just give the working outs again, you have to give a written reason, and it's a case of the angles around a point equals 360 degrees. This is a right angle, this is 140, so the remaining angle is going to be 130 degrees. Now again, we lose one simple mark here for not writing this very simple statement, angles around a point equals 360 degrees. Similarly, in this question here, we are shown that, again, we've got the answer correct. We've got the fact that we've got 130 degrees. But the reason given here is because it must add up to 360 and the right angle is 90. Again, we haven't mentioned that angles around a point equals 360 degrees. This question here, we've got something that a lot of people have written is that angles need to make a full circle. Now it's not going to be a circle. You can't mention that there's 360 degrees in a circle. It has to be angles around a point equals 360 degrees. Now as you can tell, I think the next topic is going to be trial and improvement. But in this question here, again, it's an angles-based question. The majority of our students are able to access the first mark, 150 degrees here for angle x. However, find the value of y given a reason for your answer. Well, in this case, this angle here is 85 degrees. So that means this angle here, because these are parallel lines, again it's made a bit trickier because the lines are sloping upwards instead of horizontal like you might be used to, but this angle here is 85, which means this angle here is 85, and they are going to be, what type of angle are they going to be? That's right, it's an F shape. So if we put in the F shape, then we know that they are corresponding angles. So this angle here is a corresponding angle 85 degrees, and therefore we know that this is a straight line, so our answer is going to be 180 minus 85, which is going to give us an answer of, anybody get that one? 95 degrees. So our answer here should be, for y, should be 95 degrees. Again, it's important to note that the diagram is not drawn accurately. In this final question, well, the same question actually, we are shown, we've got the correct mark there for the correct angle at the bottom, but again there's no written reason. We should say that we have a corresponding angle here is 85, and then we need to say that angles on a straight line. So corresponding, and then angles on a straight line equal 180. So we need to make sure that we're fully naming the angles, corresponding, alternate, allied, and we're also saying angles on a straight line, and wherever we have a problem where it's around a point, for example this one here, we don't say that it's angles in a circle, we say angles around a point equals 360. Okay, another common error video coming up soon. Thank you.